Hey everybody, welcome back to Elmira Family Chiropractic. We're excited to be open. We just had our first week. I just wanted to show you a few of the changes that we've made if you haven't been in yet, just to ensure your health and safety. So when you come in, you'll see the sign here. It says attention visitors. Please have a read. If any of those symptoms apply to you and you're unsure, then please give us a call and we'll make sure that you're safe to enter into the building. And come on in with me. So when you first come in, you'll see we have a hand sanitizing station. So there's a little foot pump. You press there, a big blob will come out. It comes out quick, so just be careful. Rub that into your hands. And then I want you to check in like you normally do. So click the mouse, arrive yourself. We're sanitizing everything all the time to make sure that everything's nice and clean. Make sure you take your shoes off here, your jacket, although you're probably not wearing a jacket on a beautiful day like today. And then come on in. So we have all the chairs basically removed from the office. You can see the few that do remain, and there's little X's on the floor so that people know that they're spaced out 2 meters in between. Then once your name's up on the screen, come on into the adjusting room that you're called to. So we'll go into lucky number 3. When you come in, make sure to tap in here. There's a little sign that Alyssa made for you, and then grab a face mat and throw that down to make sure you keep the headrest clean. The table will have already been cleaned, and then go ahead and lie down and start relaxing, getting ready for your adjustment. Then, after the magic happens, make sure you take that off, throw that in there, and then the doctors will be cleaning each table and all the surfaces in the room after your visit. Right. Now, each of the doctors will be wearing the face mask here, and also the tech CA, so Alyssa and Jess, when they are doing any assessments with you. There's also hand sanitizer at the windowsill. Feel free to grab that if you're looking for to clean your hands again. Come on out once you're done your checkup, and then come on up to the front. We have station 2 set up as our primary. Say hi, Jess. Jess will be waiting for you with a smile on. Happy to see you again. We will use station 1, 2 based on flow. We want to make sure that there's no obstructions to people coming in and out. So just make sure that you give people their space so they feel comfortable. We do have a line here. This is sort of the line we want you to stay behind. You should be able to reach and tap or hand anything over to Jess. And if you do have to sneeze, just make sure that you cover it and make sure you sanitize before you leave, okay? We want to make sure that you guys feel comfortable. We're happy to be here serving you guys again, and look forward to seeing you on your next visit. Take care.